In this video tutorial, you will learn how to issue tickets with our H1 and X1 partners in Sabre. There are 100 partner airlines available under the codes H1 or X1. Let's go through a booking together. We created an example PNR with a flight booking of an X1 partner. Please note that the process for H1 bookings is exactly the same. In our example, we booked an X1 flight with Hahn Air partner Lift from Johannesburg to Cape Town. The two-letter code of Lift is GE. However, as Lift is an X1 Air partner of Hahn Air, the airline can be found in all GDSs under the X1 code. H1 or X1 flights are always operated by one of our partner airlines. Hahn Air Technologies acts as a so-called marketing carrier for X1 flights. Flights under the code H1 have the marketing carrier Hahn Air Systems. Let's take a look at the booking together. Here, you can see the operating carrier and the flight number that will later show at the airport. Before you issue a ticket, please ensure that the record locator return has happened. In Sabre, the airline's record locator is displayed in the PNR. If you don't see it here, you have to recreate the PNR. Next, we are going to price the ticket. We are using the pricing command WP. Sabre is now showing the ticket image. Here, you can see that it is priced with the validating carrier HR. This means that Sabre is preparing to produce an HR 169 ticket. H1 and X1 flight segments are always issued on an insolvency-safe HR 169 document with secure ticks. With the next entry, we will select a form of payment and issue the ticket. In our example, we are using the form of payment invoice. Of course, you may choose other forms of payment, such as credit card. The entry to issue the ticket is W, Cross of Lorraine, P, Q, Cross of Lorraine, followed by the form of payment, in our case, invoice. Sabre now replies with OK, which means that the ticket has been successfully issued. To display the ticket, insert star and T. All Hahn Air ticket numbers start with 169. Now, let's take another look at the booking. It contains a very important information. You can view your booking on mytrip.hahnair.com. If you follow this link, you can review all travel details and share them with your client. You can find our video tutorial on travel details in the Hahn Air Knowledge Center. Let's recap. Booking X1 and H1 flights is easy. Just follow the standard procedures of your GDS. It is very important to note that H1 or X1 flight numbers are not shown at the airport. Therefore, it is essential to share the travel details with the passengers, including operating carrier and the official flight number. Thank you for your attention. If you need support, contact our service desk at service@hahnair.com.